When it comes to air coolers, Noctua is as good as it gets. They've built a name for themselves by producing high-end air coolers with exceptional performance, and the NH-D15 chromax.black is no exception. It offers superb performance and even better acoustics, and although on the expensive side, the performance makes up for it. This isn't a new cooler. In fact, it's the full blacked out version of the award-winning NH-D15, popular for its impeccable performance. The main issue with the original was the unorthodox color choice, which made it hard to match with builds. The chromax.black version solves this problem. As for the design, this is a dual-tower air cooler with two 140mm fans capable of operating at a maximum RPM of 1500. Because the fans are mounted on top of the CPU, they also provide airflow and cooling for other heatsinks and motherboard components. Suffice it to say, when it comes to performance, this cooler doesn't disappoint. One of the main issues that come with using a cooler like the NH-D15 is memory clearance. The NH-D15 is a beefy cooler, which does cause some serious clearance issues. While the fan clip does allow you to adjust the fan for more clearance, doing so might make it incompatible with certain cases. Apart from clearance issues, the aesthetics might also be a source of discourse. While the simplistic and single-color design is appealing to some, it can also be a deal-breaker for others. The complete lack of RGB might also push people away. To combat this, Noctua does offer customizable heatsink covers and anti-vibration pads sold separately, but this does further inflate the cost. However, where this cooler shines is the acoustics. Noctua NH-D15 is nearly silent, even under heavy loads. On top of that, the low noise adapters can reduce the noise further by decreasing the fan RPM from 1500 to 1200. While this may cause a decrease in performance, it's nice to have the option to decrease the noise. To top it all off, Noctua promises to offer mounting hardware for future upgrades, making this cooler a good long-term investment. On top of that, it comes with a 6-year warranty, making it quite future-proof. It's worth mentioning this cooler is a bit expensive. There are cheaper options on the market, like the Deepcool AK620 and the Thermalright Phantom Spirit, and both those options are excellent. But the NH-D15 has proven to be the most reliable air cooler out there. Spending a bit more money for that peace of mind is a good idea. To sum up, what I like is the excellent performance, the best in-class reliability, the easy installation process, and the incredible acoustics. On the downside, the limited memory clearance, and it's on the expensive side for an air cooler. Ratings: Design and Aesthetics, 8 out of 10. Cooling Performance, 9.5 out of 10. Noise, 8 out of 10. Installation, 9.5 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10.